Hi, welcome to My Cute Tunes. Today we're going to draw Eb from Hop. Grab your marker and follow along with me. Let's start with Eb's nose. And then from there we're going to draw the top of the nose. And I'm just going to make 2 lines going inwards, not too long. And now from both sides of the nose we're going to start with the eyes. So as usual, we're going to do the bottom part. We're going to draw 2 lines. And then of course the top part, make it nice and round. And we'll do the same here, we'll copy the other eye as well. We try to copy it the best we can. And then from there we'll go to the pupils. Light reflection, of course, iris, pupil, the light reflection, and the iris. Let's fill the pupils in. Now let's make a little light reflection on the nose, and we'll fill the nose in as well. Now right below the nose, we're going to draw the mouth. So we're going to just draw it, and we're going to keep the lines very close to the nose, and right below that you're going to draw a chin as well. Now on the sides, let's start with this side first. Now from the chin, I'm going to make it nice and round, and I'm going to bring it to the eye. And on this side I'm going to start here by the eye and take it back to the chin. And now on top we can do the head. And I'll start on this side and I'll bring it back to the cheek. And now that we've done that, we can go to the ears. And I'm going to start here, and I'm going to make a big curvy ear. Take it all the way around. Maybe I'll start from the head and I'll try to connect it to the ear. We're going to do the inner ear as well. And we'll do it on this side as well. Now I'm just going to start here at the bottom. Make it nice and curvy. Take it over. And I'll bring it back to the head. The inner ear. And now that we're done with that, we can come back to the head, and we're going to draw Eb's neck. I'm just going to draw a little neck there. Make it nice and round at the bottom, connect it. Now I'm going to jump to the shirt. And I'm going to start with the collar first. I'm going to start on, let's start on this side. And I'm going to make the collar. I'm going to take it down about till there. And I'm going to do the same thing here. Nice and curved, touching the underside of the cheek, and bring it back. Now that we have that, we can draw the collar inwards towards the neck. And on this side I'm going to do the same thing, inwards towards the neck. And now we're going to draw his torso. So I'm going to start here, I'm going to make a nice curvy line out, and then I'm going to connect it. I'll do the same on this side as well. Nice curvy line out, connect it back, and just make a little crease on both sides like this. And now we can do the sleeves. I'm going to start on this side, I'm going to bring a sleeve out. Start on this side, I'm going to do the same thing. And then we're just going to connect it from the collar to the sleeve, to the end of the sleeve. Now let's finish up with this shirt as well. So this shirt is checkered. I will draw the buttons first. I think I'll draw 4 buttons. I'll do 4 buttons. And now I'm going to draw a checkered shape. I'm going to start right up here, and I'm just going to bring a line down. Then up there, I'll do the same thing, and I'll bring a line down. And maybe there, I'll bring another line down. And now I'm just going to follow it through back. And I will have this checkered pattern on his shirt. Let's do it on this side as well. There we go. And connect it back. And you will have this beautiful checkered pattern. Good. And now I want to do this shirt underneath. I'm going to do the collar of the shirt and I'll do the bottom of the shirt there. Just like that. Now before we go on to the arms, I'm going to do the lower body first. I'm going to start on this side and I'm going to draw outside curve for his leg. This side as well. I'm sort of copying it. And right there in the middle, I'll draw a skew line. And now from here I'm going to draw the feet. I'm going to start with the leg, then I'm going to go straight. I'm going to draw a toe, another toe and another toe, and connect it back to the leg. Let's do the same with this side as well. And then I'll just draw it up straight. I'll do the toe and connect it back as well. Now we can draw the arms. So I'll draw a sleeve going down. I'll draw a sleeve on this side as well, about the same height, and then hips, hands. And there we go, and there's hip. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors, and I'm sure your picture will turn out amazing. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.